Hello! Today, I'm going to show you another sound game activity. This is a review of all the sound groups. Are you ready? Now, watch. This game is called Tall, Short, and Tail. Can you say tall, short, and tail? Now, watch. Tall. When I say letters that are tall, like B, H, D, T, F, L, K, you're going to stand. If I'm going to say short sound letters like A, M, E, N, K, W, O, R, S, V, W, S, and S, you are going to sit on a chair. When I say sound letters that have tail, such as P, G, J, Y, you are going to sit on the floor. Now, are you ready? Let's start our game. B, B, tall. B sound is tall. A, A. A sound is short. P, P. P sound letter is tail. We're going to sit on the floor. Now, would you like to try? You can try this with your family and friends. Thank you for working with me today.